Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is Nifty's weekly expiry and here I am with another video of our series Nifty expiry special analysis. In the previous video as I said, if Nifty breaks 15,320 level, we'll see upside till 15,400 to 15,430 and Nifty made a high of 15,384 and after expiry too, Nifty's upward move continued, and you can watch that video clicking on top right of your screen. And in today's video too, we'll try to identify important levels for tomorrow's expiry. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't and stay tuned. So now let's analyze Nifty's daily chart for tomorrow's expiry. And as you can see, we saw one-way rally from 14,900, and after that one-way rally Nifty corrected a little bit. So now we have support at 15,430 and 15,330. So this is first support and this is second support. So 15,430 and 15,330 will act as first and second support because of this previous swing high. So on daily chart we have support at 15,430 and 330, and on the top side if we find resistance, we don't have any. We have just once we break high of this red candle, then we will see again Nifty continuing, and there is no resistance at the top and the high is 15,660. So based on daily chart we have support at 15,430, 15,330 and there is no resistance. And now let's analyze Nifty's 15 minutes chart. So from last 2 days Nifty was correcting little bit, and finally Nifty made a channel like this and we got a breakout from it in the last hour, and we saw a rally coming and a recovery happening in Nifty. So now when we see Nifty closed at a breakout level, and now we have a rounding bottom formation here. So Nifty closed at breakout level. So once Nifty clears this swing high 15,620, we'll see upside till 15,660, that is Nifty's all-time high, and above 15,660 this rally will continue till 15,700 based on 15 minutes chart. And now let's analyze Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry. So now on screen we have Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry, and we closed near to 15,600, and 15,600 call has 43,31,000 open interest. In that only 2,18,000 was added today. So 15,600 will act as first resistance for tomorrow's expiry, and 15,700 call has 48 lakh open interest, and in that only 10 lakh was added today. So 15,700 will act as second resistance for tomorrow's expiry. And if Nifty breaks 15,600 and sustains above 15,600, then we'll see 15,600 call writers unwinding the positions, and we will see a short covering rally, and Nifty may go till 15,675 to 15,700. And when we compare both 15,600 and 15,700 call, we will see that in 600 call only 2,18,000 was added today, but in 700 call 10 lakh open interest was added. So call writers are comfortable writing 15,700 call, and they think market will not go above 15,700. So 15,700 will act as major resistance for tomorrow's expiry. And on put side, 15,500 put has 38 lakh open interest. In that 1,61,000 was added today. So 15,500 put 15,500 will act as first support for tomorrow's expiry, and below 15,500, 15,400 put has 36 lakh open interest, and in this put we saw a reduction in open interest even though market closed above 15,570. we saw a reduction in 15,400 put. So this may be a negative sign for tomorrow's expiry, and we saw similar kind of data not last time, in March or April month, and we saw good fall after that, and I had covered that in our video. So this time we may see a fall, but I am not expecting a fall because this is a 150 points away, 170 points away, so we may not see fall because 15,500 put writers will support market, but still trade cautiously with a strict stop loss, and put call ratio is at 1.269, which is close to oversold on an expiry day, so we may expect a short covering rally. And India VIX from last few days is continuously trading below 18, and after 2 months India VIX went below 18, so that's quite good sign. And that's all for today's video, and if you like my video, please share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I have provided link in description to open your trading or demat account in our franchise, so you can click on the link and open your demat or trading account with us. The brokerage is as low as 15 rupees per order, and many other benefits are mentioned in description of this video. So thank you for watching.